Hello and welcome to Margot's Simple Cooking. Today I will be showing you how I make my Easter bun. For this recipe I'll be using Malta instead of the usual stout, and I'll be making two buns. So I have brown sugar, melted butter, honey, all-purpose flour. Let's get into the baking and I'll show you the ingredients as I go along. To begin, I'm adding 3 bottles of Malta to my dish. Two tablespoons of vanilla. 2 cups of brown sugar. You can add more or less to your own liking. And 1 tablespoon of molasses. This will give it a nice color. And 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Next I'll add 2 eggs to the mixture. Two teaspoons of honey. And 2 teaspoons of marmalade. I have 6 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm adding to that mixed spices. That's cinnamon, nutmeg, and mixed spice. 5 teaspoons of baking powder. A pinch of salt. That is optional. Salt is optional. You don't have to add it. Mix to combine everything. A cup of mixed fruits. One cup of raisins which have been pre-soaked, and half a cup of chopped cherries. You can add any fruits you like. Now we're going to combine the wet and dry ingredients. This smells so good. Wow. That mixed spice. I have 2 baking tins which I've greased and lined with parchment paper. Now I'm going to pour my mixture into them and get them ready for the oven. I'll bake these at 350 degrees for 1 hour. While the buns are baking, I'm going to make a glaze with a mixture of honey, cinnamon, molasses, and melted butter. It's been 1 hour and I'm now ready to glaze my buns. It's looking so beautiful. Smelling wonderful too. Boy. It's now time to put the bun to the test. Looking good. Moist, and the fruits are well distributed. Ready to go with the cheese. Oh my. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Please subscribe. Thanks.